I was talking with a member of the forum this week and she pointed me to this post regarding file names, and what this person wants to do is to be able to reduce the link, so the text, just to an icon. Now Arjun very kindly posted some code. Now I'm not a coder, but I'm a pretty good copy and paster, so I had a go at this and managed to get it to work. So if you go into the live app, we have a field here called file, and as an example this one has a very long file name which makes the column very wide. So what we want to do is bring this down to just being a kind of clickable link with an icon. So there's a couple of bits of information we need before the code will work. The first is the view and the other one is the field number. So if you go into your views, this is my client's view, just click on the view and you'll see at the top that this is view number 4. Now this is the file field that I'm trying to get, but I have to go to the schema. So go to my schema, make sure that you've toggled on this show hide field keys to display the field key, and the file field is at the bottom. So the field is 236. So head over to settings, API and code and JavaScript, paste in the code, and then you need to change the view here on the first line and the second line, and then the field number here. I'm going to save that, go to my pages again and just click on the file field, and I'm just going to centerize that instead of it being left aligned, and save. Back to my live app for a refresh, and now I have a clickable link. So it's worth noting that the icon itself, even when you get a hover over finger, that's not clickable, it's the word view. So click on view and it will open the PDF as it would normally. I'm sure there probably is some way to make the icon clickable, but in this case it doesn't, so I'll put the word view. So just jumping back into the code. So going back to the code, just to explain this line here, which is the main part. As I say, I'm not a coder, so I won't profess to understand it all, but I do know that this is calling a class from a website called Font Awesome, and this is the name of the font. So in quotes, FA file-pdf-0 or O. Then after that, this is HTML for a space, and then the word view, which is how it displays. So if you want to, you can change this icon, although it's not clickable, if you want something more appropriate to your requirements. So if you head over to Font Awesome, if I just go back a page, there's a whole list of them. Now I've played around with some of these today and not every single one works, but most of them do. So if I just searched for a car and click on that, the piece of code we're after is this bit in the quote marks, the FA car. So just replace this string with the car one, save, and then refresh your live app. And you now have a little car icon. Once again, it's not clickable, the icon itself, you have to click on the word view. Hopefully you found that tip of use, and look forward to catching you on the next one.